take a look at my Phantom wallet. Does this look like the wallet of a trader? You'd be right in saying that it's not, because instead of trading, I've been deving, and I have found an easy way to do it that is quick. If you follow this video, I will show you the simple steps that I took to reach 6 figures inside my Phantom wallet. Make sure that you keep watching this video, because these steps will change your life forever.
Oh, DD, oh, what it is, oh.
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, folks, you've made it this far. Just hold on a little bit longer and I will show you the method that I've used to create a ton of money. Now, taking a look at one of these charts here. So this coin is interesting because, as you can see, there's this really long time where not much is happening, and then all of a sudden, over the course of just a few hours, this massive kick up has just happened with this coin. Seems pretty artificial, right? Well, that's because it probably is. And we are going to use a method that I imagine is quite similar to what this coin used to boost ourselves up when we dev ourselves. Yeah, so, you know, I mean, a coin gaining that much traction that quickly after such a long period of just idleness doesn't often happen. Our P&Ls will look something like this: a nice, steady, smooth curve upwards, slowly but surely. Now, there's only 2 ways you can get this, and that's either by being a dev or knowing a dev. And today we are going to be a dev, all right? And that means that our P&Ls are going to be in the green where we want them, okay? So we are going to make very consistent money. So what we're going to do is we're going to use createcoin.fun, where we can launch our own coin, okay? Createcoin.fun is the name of the platform that we are going to use. You can, with just a little bit of Solana, launch your own coin with no coding required. So that used to be a bit of a problem back in the day. If you didn't know how to code, you didn't have a meme coin. That was the end of it. You know, your journey started and then abruptly ended. But now all we need to do is we need to push a few buttons and we will have our own coin on the market. So as you can see, this is the pump market right here, okay? So what we've got here is a load of coins that have a ton of fees put on them, and the market caps are always suppressed. And even if you could get past all of that, there's just so many shit coins being pumped into this all the time. You will never break through the noise and make some serious cash unless you are ridiculously lucky, even if you've got a great narrative, even if you've got a great coin, okay? Let's switch to Dynamicon Axiom and have a look at the Meteora market instead. Look at this. Some of the coins are in the billions in terms of their market caps. That is because there's nowhere near as many shit coins smashing about on this platform, and also there's less fees and there's more room to grow, okay? The market caps are not halted in any way. So here's what we've got. We have got just over $100 in the Phantom wallet, and that is the recommended amount I suggest you have in order for this to work, okay? We're going to connect our wallet. If your wallet is already on your browser, it should detect it, and then you will connect automatically just like that. Easy as. So now that we've got our money available, we could pop a name on our coin here. We could pop a symbol on our coin if we were making one from scratch. This is what most people do, but we are not most people, so we are not going to do that. Instead, we are going to use the copy trending tool. Now, this is a tool that allows us, with just one click, to find a coin that we like the look of that's already hyped on the pump market and migrate it over to Meteora, where we can take advantage of that hype with the added bonus of having the mobility and room to grow within the Meteora market, okay? So you can see you've got the estimated market caps and you have got the last time it was paired, all right? So you can use that information to find the coin you like, as well as just picking one you like the look of. Now, all of these are good options because they've all got the hype behind them. We can have a quick refresh and see if anything else strikes our fancy. So, you know, we've got Cash Bull here. We could maybe pick that one. We've got the Black Whale there. You know, we've got Hood Rat. You know what? I might actually pick Hood Rat. So we've got 108k on our market cap. We're not going to run it that long, so the market cap being that low doesn't really matter in this case. But, you know, we can, you know, run with it. Now, initially your request will be blocked. You need to hit proceed anyway, then confirm, tick a box, and confirm again. This is a normal part of the process. It happens every single time I set up a wallet for one of these videos, and it is something that will happen on your first time round as well. So just make sure you click through that. Now, we have created our coin. It is online, but is not on the market yet. So what we need to do is create a liquidity pool. We need to put an initial investment to get ourselves on the market. So on the liquidity pool menu, you've got a bunch of information here, such as your name. You have got the, you know, identity that you can copy over. You have got the amount of tokens, but the main thing we're worrying about is the amount of soul. Now, I always put the same amount of soul in each time I make one of these coins. So I put in about 0.2 Sol, and we'll do the same thing today, okay? We're going to put in 0.2 Sol. That seems to be the sweet spot for me. That's the number that always seems to work and I get a decent profit from. You can put in a bit more and a bit less. You can experiment and see what works for you, but 0.2 has worked for me. So we're going to create a pool here. Once we do, we're going to confirm the transaction. Once we have done that, our coin will be online and on the market. There we go. So you can see the bottom here. We've got a little bit of information, a few statistics to look at here. So you can see the name and again the identity and also the pooled Sol. You've got the pooled tokens. That's the amount of tokens that are available to buy. And we have got the value there. The lightning bolt. This is a crucial part of this process, okay? Clicking this lightning bolt because we are going to use the Dex Screener booster to get ourselves to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. Cost 0.25 Sol, but this is an investment that will make its money back and then some, okay? For 1 hour, we are going to be boosted to the heights of Dex Screener's trending list. All those bots and all those people that chase trends are going to see our coin and find it very tasty and give us all their money, which is exactly what we want them to do, okay? Any money put into our coin is profit, okay? We don't have to worry about selling at the right time. We can sell whenever we like as long as money's been put in. Now, we are ready to go, okay? $15 on the estimated value at the moment. Let's take a look at Dex Screener and see how well our coin trades. All right, so let's see here. So let's see, already, boom, an immediate boost right at the top. So you see how that quickly started to skyrocket nearly instantly. So take a look at that. So our liquidity is already at 2K. You know, our market cap already at 1.5K. We've only been running for a few seconds. And you can see here already we've got 168 traders looking at this coin, 400 coming up to 500 transactions. This coin is busy. It is hot. And that is because of the booster that we used right at the start. Okay, so I'm going to run this for a while, but then we switch back to createcoin.fun. Okay, so let's take a quick refresh and let's see how much our coin is now worth. So we started at 5,900 and what's that? So that's $963 there. That's very impressive. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this minus button and we are going to remove all that liquidity and put it straight in our pockets. This is how they do it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the rug pull, but we are on the right side of it. Let's remove that liquidity. Now, I make money on these videos, and if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of what I make on this video. So we will see in my Phantom wallet how much that could be. Remember, started at just over 100, 961, roughly $850 available, or half of that for grabs. So make sure you are trying this method out yourselves, guys.